Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the wrist. It's homage to the.
Hey, kings and queens. Ooh, girl, what's that in the back of your throat? I don't know what that was. Hey, kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Aneke. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey. Hey, kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Aneke here in Aneke Budgets, and on here we do cash stuff and budgeting, paying off Reddit and mind our business, baby. Not necessarily in them for orders. So if that is something that you're interested in, go ahead, subscribe to the channel, like the video, share with somebody, and leave your comments down below. Cause baby, no shade, no tea. Let's do this November budget with me. Let's go. Okay, y'all, so per usual, I've zoomed y'all in all up into my business because, you know, welcome, love to have you here. So we're going to basically go over my budget, everything that your girl is going to be paying for the month of November. I think I took off one thing off of here because I was like, just, you know, I don't think I have to pay for this for now. And I'll tell you guys about that when we get there. But without further ado, come on. So this is, gosh darn it, y'all, this is November 2024. Y'all, this means that we are 1 month away from the year ending. Freaking wild. That's crazy. 1 month away, but baby, I know you're right. So that's November 2024. My salary that I'm planning for November, as you guys know, I'm getting extra income, or if you don't know, hello, I'm getting extra income for these quarters. So first off, let me back it up. If you are new to budgeting, child, the first thing you gotta do is lay out all your bills, which is usually what I do right here, as you guys can see. And then we have these things called cash envelopes and sinking funds. So saving challenges are saving, and it's a challenge. But the cash envelopes and the sinking funds are the other thing. What they are, they're envelopes that you put money in for your like long-term goals, I would say, for one, or bills that you know that happen like yearly, aka annually, you know, or specific things. So you can go ahead and let me see, girl, just show somebody. Let me show y'all. So this is my emergency fund, right? My emergency fund has for emergencies. If things should come up, because baby, I was just telling my friend yesterday, I was like, I was in my garage. The emergency open, or the emergency pull down, got stuck in my car, y'all, and broke my front windshield. When I say shattered, okay? And so it was gone, and so I had to pay that. And the emergency fund had a little bit of coins, you feel me? Had a little bit of coins to help your girl out. And so I was a little upset. I spent $1,000, but it wasn't that upsetting because it wasn't like I didn't have the money. So shout out to me, and shout out to emergency, and shout out to sinking funds for being a real one, you feel me? So that's what sinking funds are. These are the saving challenges. Some of them that I do is a Christmas challenge, because baby, next month is Christmas. Holiday challenge is something I come up with. Penny challenge is the usual around here, and then 10 of a kind is a challenge I came up with. But this was the saving challenge binder, but that emergency fund that I show you, that's a sinking fund. Let me see if I find another one, just because I want to show y'all really what the sinking funds are. Okay, so things like this, right? Like my birthday, everybody's birthday comes around once a year. So I plan for my birthday, so that's one of them. If I decide to travel to go somewhere, here's another one for that. Any specific clothing that you might buy. Family birthdays, they come once a year too. Home maintenance, child, whatever your house need. Yeah, mortgage, car maintenance, car insurance. So things like those are sinking funds. So if you've never ever done cash envelopes, that's what that means. And then if you've never done sinking funds, or never did the budgeting method where you use cash envelopes, that's what sinking funds are. The cash envelopes are things like your everyday, your groceries, your gas, your toiletries. Because baby, please, deodorant, lotion, they free, they not. That's why we have cash envelopes. But you know, make sure that those are the things that you need for your everyday, your household, where you can buy you some bleach, buy you some laundry detergent, you know, put a little baking soda, put a little vinegar, you know, mix it up. I don't know the you know, the formula, but baby, I know the ingredients. But that will get out the scent out of your clothes and get you some boosters. And oh my god, I be smelling like Jesus. And I haven't even met him, so I know he smelled better. So anyways, y'all, that's cash envelopes, that's sinking funds. I know, whole beginning of the video, whole lot before we even got to the budget, but come on, come through. Let me finish for you. So salary for this month, like I said, I'm getting extra, but what I do for salary is that I don't count the extra money, because that money is going to be gone in a couple months. So baby is living off of, or budgeting off of, what she makes now without her extra, which is $2,800. Okay, I like to do that. It makes me feel like I'm doing it right. Let me zoom out on some more so y'all can be with me. So I don't plan to have any extra income, but please God, listen, if there's ever a prayer that I was asking for, and if you hear me, Lord, in Jesus' name, because you got to say in the Lord's name for everything to go to him, in Jesus' name. If you want to help a sister out some more, go ahead, Lord. I'll move out of the way. You got a big dog. Sprinkle a little bit of whatever you did to raise up on the third day. Come on, sprinkle some of that, because I like to grow too. I like to come back to life. Make my bank account be fruitful and multiply. Sorry. Let me go back to the budget. But yes, so salary, $2,800 is what I'm budgeting for. No side income, but baby, we shall see if we get something. And then, so my total, $2,800, right? So next we go down to the bills, aka the bills and expenses section. So we're going down to the bills. This is what they look like. Living for it, okay? We don't really like them. Okay, y'all, Jesus, be a fence, Lord, and give me strength. And I really mean that. So I need to start this budget. Yesterday, I got an email, and I looked at it, and the email is from my homeowner insurance company. And it was like, oh my God, you know, your annual renewal for your insurance is coming up. Yay. And I was like, okay, cool, whatever. How much is it? Because we don't care about hello to you too. How much is it? So I go on there. My current bill, my current insurance is $2,700. Okay? $2,700. Y'all, I went and look how much that their new proposal was. That junk said 49. I said, that is crazy. That's 100% increase. And I was like, that is crazy. So I looked at it and I was like, how much is it per month? Y'all, they said what I pay currently, I think is like, I don't know, like what, let's go like $200, right? Y'all, I will be paying $400 per month, double what I pay every single month. So that's an additional $200 that's added onto my freaking bill. What? And let's not talk about like the property taxes, because this year my property taxes is good, but next year it increases because I don't live in my house anymore, so I don't get that break. I am basically, when I tell you, I was like, ain't no way. Ain't no way. Y'all, next year for me is looking rough already. So right now I'm trying to find another insurance company, but also because I live in South Korea, like it's been hard because I can't talk to people or I can't call people, and then also because I'm looking for new insurance, and I'm basically having I'm thinking about renting out my house as well. Like they're like, you have to be living in your house and it has to be your primary residence before we can take you. I was like, all right, home ownership, y'all. But this is the behind the scenes. I don't know if anybody's told you, but I'm here to do it. So let's go through my budget for what I can control right now, which is all these bills. So my mortgage right now is $1,320, which is so great. But next year this junk will be $15. I used to have it at $14. It used to be $14.10, but now it's going to be $13 or $14.01, $14.02. But and then it went down to $13.20, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna go to like $1,600 next year. It's crazy if I don't find a different insurance company. And then I'm in the military. I looked at USAA and I was like, oh my God, how much is this? Yo, they said $7 grand to get insurance with them. I said, ain't no way. Ain't no way, y'all. I even forgot what I was doing. I was like, bruh, the way how this is crazy is wild to me. Like, I need to tell y'all, I have Patreon for $17.50, I have HOA for $50, I have pest control for $25. I'm just flabbergasted. Like, y'all serious? Like, it costs that much? And I was like, yeah, it costs that much, y'all. Phone bill, I'm gonna do $60. Merrick is gonna be $200. Internet is going to be, how much is internet? Internet is a specific amount, but I'm gonna do $88 because it's literally a specific amount for internet. So and I think that covers it. I think it's 86.44, something like that, but I'm gonna do 88. We don't know. Navy Fed, we are budgeting $0.00. Apple Care is $8.01. Apple One is $18.18. Electricity, we're still gonna go for $100. Canva is $12.99. This is a new bill from last month because I decided I didn't want to pay the one-time fee. I was going to do monthly. Water is, I live in a dormitory overseas, but I pay for my water at the house, and that's usually like $55 or something like that. So I'm going to go 60. Tides is $2.80. And then investing, I'm gonna put for $0, and then I will make a decision on whether we even invest or not. But y'all, these are my bills. Tithe is $2.80 because it's 10% of salary. We always do 10%. If we do more, then yay, but we always do 10%. Yeah, so these are all my bills and the switch up and all the things. There's a couple that did some switcheroos, but for the most part, everything is about the same. For November is it's gonna be an interesting month because I'm basically gonna be spending it trying to find a insurance company that will basically insure my property. I'm telling y'all, man, it is so like stressful. And I wouldn't say I'm stressed yet, but I'm getting there. It is stressful to think about. 13, 20, 17, 50, 50, 25, 60, 288, 801, 18, 900, 1299, 60, 280. Yeah, it is low-key stressful to think about. Now, the total of all my bills is $2,239.68. And so if you minus that from the 2,800, oh girl, 2,800 minus 2,239.68, that leaves me with $560 to do with as I will after all my bills. So yeah, this is basically what I will be making. And so for my cash envelopes, I want to say they're gonna get $360. Let's go with $360 for my cash envelopes. Y'all can't see, hold on, let me bring y'all down so y'all can see better. So budget binders, cash envelopes. So I want to say it's gonna get $360 because I gotta buy food, and it's just a thing. I just have to buy food. And then after that, the $200 that's remaining is gonna go to cash envelopes. So yeah, y'all, so my total is $560.32. And so that remains me with nothing. And so my income budget is $2,800. My bills is $2,239.68. My budget binders is $560.32, and that leaves me with nothing. So that is my overall budget. And this video did not have as much enthusiasm as I normally have because one, I literally just woke up to do this video, and two, just thinking about I'm a planner. I'm like a 6 months planner kind of girl. And so I started thinking about all of these. I started thinking about my bills and everything, what my paycheck is now, what it's going to look like, all of those, you know, conversations to be had. And so it's just, yeah, it's a process. So yeah, I'm not looking forward to it. I really hope I can find a different insurance company. And yeah, that's all I got right now. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I know you came to my sob story, and I know you heard my sob story, but I appreciate you if you stuck all the way here, because you're a real one, because, baby. But yeah, that's what's happening in my life. That's what's happening with my budget, with my money, the upcoming portions of my budget and my money. And so if anyone's out there feeling like your bills is trying to take over your life, you're not alone. You're not alone. So yeah, that's it. I appreciate y'all. I really do. Because, you know, I did not want to make this video if I'm being honest. But, like, reality is reality. Accountability is accountability. And I had to come here and let y'all know. So, I appreciate y'all for every little thing. But my name is Aneke. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I will see y'all in the next one. Okay? Bye!
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. That little thing.